Hello guys, we are here. Oh, this is a Maserati luxury car, guys. I am in front of the Fabrica. Yellow color I like much. Yellow, red, green. You see, guys, Maserati luxury car, Modena, Italy. I have to shout out. To all my members. 64 members, 60 from Puma 33, and the other 4 my members, old members since from the beginning. They are four members. There before there are others. Before there are, but they are only for a. I have to cut always because there are many people passing by in front of my camera, in front of my video. So as I said, shout out to all my members, 64 members, 4 old members, and the 60 Puma gives to me. Thank you very much, Amore de la Gia. Thank you. We have to go there. Oh, Maserati. Yan. Maserati. Thank you. Bye bye, guys. Thank you for watching. I show you the. As I said, I show you what I have here. No, what I have here in Modena, my town. This is Maserati color yellow. I love it. You see what I have here in town. We have Fabrica of Maserati luxury car. We have a Fabrica of Ferrari. We have a Fabrica here, 20 kilometers from here. We have a Fabrica of what is that one? Don't remember. We have a Fabrica of Pagani luxury car. Pagani, 25 kilometers I think from here. But still this inside the province of Modena. Yeah. Okay, bye-bye guys. Thank you very much, Puma 33, for your love and care to Tita, and for your help to Tita. Everything. I have to say thank you very much for everything. God bless you. Remain blessed.